going to show you how to pack for a trip with 52 essential life skills. Make a list of what you're gonna bring so you won't forget anything. Like that one time my brother forgot to pack underpants. I'm packing for a Girl Scout camp trip and I have a packing list. Check the weather at your destination to see if you're fully prepared. Once you have a packing list, put the number of items you need. Alright, let's gather up everything we need to pack. If you're gonna stay for a long time, use the luggage. But I'm only going to pack for 2 days, so I'm going to use the duffel bag. Pack the heavy stuff first, as in shoes or books. Pro tip, before you pack your shoes, you can save space by putting in your socks. Again, save space by playing Tetris with your shoes, like this. Store your shoes in a bag so you don't get your duffel bag dirty. Put it at the very bottom and make sure it's flat. Now I'm going to pack these microfiber towels. These are great space savers for washing your face and showering. Make sure to pack your laundry bag for dirty clothes. Now comes the pants. You can roll them up to save space. They look like tiny little sushis that we can hug. Don't forget your comfy pajamas and fuzzy socks. Pro tip, use a laundry garment bag to keep similar items together. Now comes the liquidy toiletry stuff. I'm going to pack them in a plastic bag so they don't spill on my clothes. Label your names to make sure that other people don't get theirs mixed up with yours. Don't forget your hair ties. Since I'm gonna camp, I don't have to worry how much ounces this bottle is, but if you're flying, you should check how much ounces it is. Make sure you bring lights. You don't want to get scared in the dark. Now also check to see if they work. And this one comes in many settings. And it's called a headlamp. I definitely don't want to lose this one, so I'm going to put it on the very top. Sleep tight, little light. Don't forget your shades and your gloves. Don't pack these inside your duffel bag. Put them inside your day bag. Leave some space in your duffel bag for souvenirs. Try to pack light because no one wants to lug around a big, heavy suitcase. Looks like we've packed everything. Wait, we forgot to pack something. And that is, don't forget to pack your sense of adventure and curiosity.